Another opportunity to have fun with our dogs, build a stronger bond with our dogs, and teach them useful behaviors that allow us to have a bigger life with them. Because if they have a good leave it and drop it, we can take them to a lot more places. The first technique for teaching drop it that I'd like to go over today is one in which you teach the drop it cue without any objects being involved. There doesn't have to be a toy on the floor, there doesn't have to be a toy in the dog's mouth, none of that. See how he brings the toy back to me. I'm literally holding a treat in front of his face until he decides to drop the toy.
Yay!
And then he gets the treat.
Okay.
What you'll see is that as we move forward, I hold the treat less and less obviously in his face.
Yep.
When you're picking a cue, what does that cue mean to you? Are you going to be able to say it in a cheerful tone, or is it always going to be something that you say that sounds angry? And if you choose something that's a cheerful tone cue, would you be able to say it when you're in a panic? Because in the end, we do need to train for whatever we're going to say when we're in a panic. And this is why, for me, I actually teach all of my dogs, all of my cues in various tones of voice, so that when I'm panicked, angry, frustrated, terrified, no matter what the cue sounds like, they're still going to respond because they know it's still going to result in getting positive reinforcement from me, even if my tone of voice might not sound like I'm about to be positively reinforcing.